I was in severe pain for about 4 to 6 weeks. This came from a long time ago, but it became aggravated. I couldn't sleep, I couldn't function. It was awful. On a scale of 1 to 10, it was a 12. And I couldn't even open up a simple jar, like a plastic jar of peanut butter. And I didn't know what to do. I literally did not know what to do. The hand doctor I had before is no longer here. So one day I walk into my gym at VO2 Max. We share the same exercise physiologist. His name is Martin Reis. And you have been with Martin for how many years?
Yes, Martin has been my exercise physiologist for the past 18 years, counting on 19.
Okay, wonderful. So as I walked in, Dr. Lu saw that I had a wrap on. I had to have a wrap, a brace, and she asked me what was going on. And at that moment, Martin suggested, well, Dr. Lu is a specialist in pain management. And I said, okay, I know that, but for some reason I couldn't connect the dots. And from there, my healing began. It was just a wonderful experience. She has a clinic here in McAllen, and she's just a wonderful, beautiful person. And she's right here available. So if anyone needs any form of treatment for pain, please do not be afraid to come to 911 Pain Management Center with Dr. Lu. She is the owner, and she just makes you feel at home and takes away all the fear that you might have in treatment. So can you share a little bit about what you do and how long you've been here and what you did for me, please?
Sure, thank you. Thank you for the introduction, and thank you for sharing your experience, Cynthia. I know Cynthia for many years. We work together in the same studio. I know her as a very driven, very professional, and very high standard nutritionist and dietitian. And not only that, she's holding high standard for her profession in the dietary area, but she's also have very high standard for herself. She hold this very special place for living healthy, to work out every day. And then seeing her just under extreme stress and with the tears in her eyes, that just break my heart. And then as she shared that she had been having this wrist pain for weeks and unable to sleep and burning, she wasn't able to perform simple tasks. Then at that time, our trainer recommended that she come to see me. And tell me how you're doing during and after the treatment when in my clinic.
Yeah. When you're in so much pain, you really don't think about a needle. And that was literally my situation. So as I came in here, the staff is wonderful. They're very welcoming. They all have Dr. Lu's spirit of caring and giving and serving. So I came inside, they did their exams. You did an x-ray on my hand, and believe it or not, I did not feel the needle.
Yes.
I did not feel the needle. It went in, and immediately I had relief. Immediately. And for the first time in weeks, I could sleep. And gradually, little by little, the pain got better, better, better. It took about a week, and I'm pain-free. I can function, I can exercise, I can do everything that I used to do before, and I'm very, very grateful to Dr. Lu. So thank you for that.
Well, thank you for your trust. I also feel it's such a privilege to have patients' trust in us and give us the opportunity to serve you, to return you to your best life, or even expand the horizon of your new life. And our slogan is more life, less pain. And that's what we are here for as a professional woman in the great beloved community of Rio Grande Valley. We wish our community to be healthy and then to be happy. And then also we want to do what we can with our professional specialists to give our time, our passion, our attention, and then also our enthusiasm, our heart and soul to make that happen to all the families. And that's what we live for.
Yeah.
That's just every day we felt such an honor. Thank you.
Well, thank you for giving and doing what you do. And as health professionals, I'm a dietitian. Dr. Lu's a doctor. Martin is an exercise physiologist. But we all add our own components to health. And what we want is more health,
And
wellness,
yes.
and
then less pain.
less pain.
Right.
So thank you so much. And please come see Dr. Lu at 911 Pain Management in McAllen. You will not regret it. And she'll take away all your fear and your pain will be gone like that.
Thank you. Yes, like that.